Alright, boys and girls, welcome to On Guitar. We have Emtee here and he feels blessed. And I do too, guys. I couldn't imagine the growth here of Going Guitar. And thank you for all the support. I feel blessed as well. Let's do this one with Emtee. And we're gonna go into this song with a K-pop put here on that 5th fret. That's the best setup for us, and we have the easiest chords possible with the notes that are finger friendly. So let's go into the chords. We're gonna start with F major 7. That's a shorter version of it. That's exactly what we're gonna need. It goes 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is E, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. We have A minor, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, open E, and then C. And that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so F major to E, A minor to C. That is the chord progression of the song, and we're gonna look at the melody now. We're gonna start with F major. So what you do here is basically to make one downstroke from D string and down. What I do here, I use my fingers because I will be a little bit more ready to pick. So I roll down with my fingers, my thumb, index, mid, and ring finger on my right hand here. So I just roll down instead of making one downstroke. That way I have more control, so that's just for me. I feel that is more comfortable. That's what you're gonna do for the F major. Then into the E chord, it goes like this. So that is to play open E string, 1st B, 1st high E, 3rd E, and back to 1st E. Then we have the A minor part, and it goes like this. That is to play open A, 2nd D, 4th G, and 1st B. If you think that is a little bit too stretchy out there to 4th G, you can replace that with the open B string instead. That's the exact same notes. So I'll compare, 4th G with open B. That's the same notes. So I'll either go 4th G or open B. The thing with 4th G here is it rolls down better if you use the same technique as I do, so you don't have to work with open B and the 1st B. Then you can just roll down. So that's up to you, whatever you feel is more comfortable. That's A minor part 1. The part 2 here will be to just play one down on A minor. Okay, so you make the melodies. Then one down on A minor. Then you switch to C and make one down on that as well. And then you have 2 ending notes. And that are the ending notes of this melody. That note will be 3rd B string and 1st B string. And have in mind here, there are more instruments than just one guitar. So they go into each other. The melodies could be hard to separate, but that is how I would play it. And there are more notes than that in the end there, but they collaborate there with the instruments. So it's hard to detect what guitar is playing what. So this is what I would play with just one guitar in my hands. Anyway, that is the melody, and together everything sounds like this. One round. You can play that from the beginning till the very end, but you can also switch it up with some strumming. Then let's go into that world with strumming, and we're gonna use a pattern that needs to be divided into 2 different parts. We're gonna split it, and to learn them we can go for the first chord, the F major 7. You're gonna play this for one full round. Okay, so the first part is down, up, down, up. So down, up. It's part 1, and then part 2 will be clap, up, down, up. So part 1 and part 2 together goes down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so together a couple of rounds. Okay, so into the song we're gonna play F major 7, 1 full round, both part 1 and part 2, then E, 1 full round, then A minor, 1 full round, plus part 1. Okay, so A minor is down, up, clap, up, then down, up. And then you switch to C and play part 1 again. Down, up. And that is 1 chord progression round. So F major 1 full round, E 1 full round, A minor 1 full round plus part 1, and C part 1, like this. Again. Yeah, and like I just did, play, have fun with it. Some wrongs here and there, doesn't kill, doesn't hurt. It could actually be fulfilling to play around this skeleton here. This is what it goes around these notes and these chords, and you can build it in your own way. Emtee, blessed. Thank you guys for watching, and till next time, play tuned.